Today's informative video will be all about ChatGPT chat history. This includes how to access chat history, how to delete one conversation at a time, how to clear the chat history, as well as how to turn chat history and training off so that your queries are only saved to the servers for 30 days. Watch the entire video to determine if ChatGPT keeps personal information. To access chat history, just open the ChatGPT app and tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Select History from the menu. You will then be presented with some of your previous conversations. To access a previous conversation, just tap on the conversation you want. When you do, it will be loaded into the ChatGPT window, and you can continue your conversation. Here's how you can delete one conversation. Tap the three dots once more and select History. Once again, you'll be presented with your conversation history. Swipe left and tap the trash icon on the right. The conversation has been deleted. You can clear the chat history. Tap on the three dots once more and this time select Settings from the menu. Once you do, you'll see this panel. Tap on Data Controls. To clear the history, simply tap on Clear Chat History. When you do, your entire history will be deleted, and according to the text above, your conversations will be removed from the servers within 30 days. Tap Clear Chat History and then confirm it once more. If you go back to your conversation window and access history, you'll notice that all of the history has been removed. When you type a query into ChatGPT now, your request is sent to ChatGPT servers. It's not saved on your device. When you access history, this is what you see. If you'd like to turn chat history and training back on, tap Turn On. And then you can tap on Start New Chat. If you tap Settings, tap Data Controls once more, you can see that chat history and training has been turned on. All of your conversations will now be saved in your chat history. Does ChatGPT keep personal information? Start by adding the prompt, "Do you know my name?" As an AI language model, I don't have access to personal information about individuals unless it has been shared with me during our conversation. I am designed to respect user privacy and confidentiality. My primary function is to provide information and answer questions to the best of my knowledge and abilities. If you would like ChatGPT to know your name, just tell it your name. When you open the ChatGPT app for the first time, it cautions you not to share any sensitive info. ChatGPT knows my name. Will ChatGPT remember my name? Let's find out. ChatGPT states that it only remembers information about individuals when it has been shared in the conversation. I told it what my name was, so it knows my name. According to that response, when I end this conversation and start another one, ChatGPT should not know my name. Tap on the three dots, select New Chat, and then enter the prompt, "Do you know my name?" Once you close that conversation and start a new one, all those personal details will not be remembered by ChatGPT. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.